Hi there, my name is Carty and I'm an equity artist based out of Ottawa, Ontario. I specialize in physical theatre as well as the creation and development of new work, and I'm super compelled by the Jonathan Livingston Seagull audition just because I really believe that theatre is a powerful outlet to give people of all different kinds a chance to voice all of the struggles that make them human. I am an able-bodied performer. However, I teach theater to adults with both physical and mental disabilities, and I'm really learning that no matter how different we may seem on the outside, the core of what we want to say and what we want to put on stage as performers is ultimately the same. Anyway, that being said, I had a lot of fun with the text, and I hope you like what I did. When you wipe away the noise of the life you were living, you find clarity. It's dark, it's cold, and you are alone. But you see for miles into yourself. And you can finally listen. This darkness is the perfect grounds for learning. I taught myself cloud drifting, lifting my whole body with the flick of a wingtip, higher, where the air is too thin to breathe. Pushing above the thick morning clouds they told me were too dangerous to fly through. Catching hidden sunrises off guard in the early day. Riding above the thin air, can barely breathe. Here, on the rocks, the insects are delicacies. And after a lifetime of fish, it's high dining. Pushing through fog and storm, blind, inner navigation, developed through weeks and months and years of repetition. Flying through feeling. At night, I learned to fly in my sleep, putting my own body on a biological alarm clock. Time stretches, and I don't know how long I've lived. Maybe it doesn't matter how long we live. And repeat. Morning sunrises. Hunting for insects. Pushing through storms. Sleep. Morning sunrises, hunting for insects, pushing through storms, sleep. Morning sunrises, hunting for insects, pushing through storms, sleep. There. Is this my limit? What happens when you reach your limit? What happens? Hey! I haven't seen you here before. Are you all right? Jeez, Kate, you need to find some food or something. You look like... What is it? Where are we?